Welcome to Daily English Sentences. Here are today's sentences. Listen carefully and practice daily to improve your English fluency.
Topic: Talking about waking up, present simple tense, building natural conversation, performing arts dialogue, Ali Sara, Ali, good morning, Sara, Sara, good morning, Ali. What time did you wake up today, Ali? I woke up at 7 a.m., Sara, that's early. I usually wake up at 8, Ali. I like to wake up early and start my day fresh, Sara, nice. What do you do after you wake up, Ali? First, I stretch a little. Then I go to the bathroom, Sara, same here. I also drink a glass of water. Ali, that's healthy. Mornings are my favorite part of the day. Sara, me too. A good morning gives a good day.
Practice these short sentences every day, step by step. Your English speaking will become more natural and confident. See you in the next session. Thank you. Subscribe my channel.